A hand miter saw is an essential tool for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast who wants to achieve precise and accurate cuts on their projects. This type of saw is designed to cut at a variety of angles, making it ideal for making cuts for picture frames, baseboards, and crown moldings, among others. With so many different hand miter saws on the market, it can be challenging to choose the best one for your needs. In this context, we will explore the top-rated hand miter saws and what features to look for when selecting the best one to meet your needs. 4. CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20 half-in drill/driver kit CMCD 700C1 has a low battery life rating, receiving only 4.4 points out of 10, and it struggled towards the end of each hole during the side-by-side comparison tests. The drill has a 1.3 amp-hour battery that charges in less than an hour, which is faster than average, but there is no second battery included. In terms of convenience, the CMCD 700C1 scored slightly above average, receiving a convenience rating of more than 5 points out of 8. The high and low operating modes were mentioned as handy for drilling large holes or driving in big fasteners. 3. DUEBEL Miter Box. The DUEBEL 12 inches miter saw with adjustable blade angle and miter box is an excellent tool for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned woodworkers who require precise cuts. The ergonomic design of the handle and the adjustable back saw blade angle make sawing more comfortable and efficient, especially when working with tougher materials. The saw's SK5 steel blade and strong spine prevent bending and flexing during use, ensuring accurate cuts time after time. The miter box supports 3 cutting angles, including 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degrees, making it perfect for creating regular octagon or quadrilateral shapes. The miter box set is also easy to use, with 4 fixing bolts that can be adjusted according to the size of the wood, and 4 45 degrees beveled accessories for fixing sloped wood. The miter box can be held in place with a free hand or attached to a work surface for added support, and the set can be used by anyone regardless of experience or ability. Overall, the DUEBEL 12 inches miter saw with adjustable blade angle and miter box is a versatile and practical tool for all woodworking needs. 2. Metabo HPT 10. The Metabo HPT 10-inch cordless miter saw is a basic and sturdy design with a simple detent adjustment lever and locking handle. The bevel cut performance is adequate for rough framing work, with a basic bevel angle indicator and left-handed locking handle. The dust collection port is effective, and the saw has thoughtful design features such as the aluminum swing-out guide fence and cast aluminum base. The saw is designed for right-handed use and has a smooth trigger and thumb safety switch, 1 Delta 10 inches sliding. The article is a review of the Delta Cruiser miter saw by a professional woodworker who was initially skeptical about the product. The review covers the saw's setup, calibration, features, and performance. The author notes that the saw required some calibration upon setup, but found the guide arms and bevel control to be effective and easy to use. The saw has a powerful motor and accurate cutting abilities, although it lacks a blade guide. Overall, the author concludes that the Delta Cruiser is a quality miter saw with useful features and reliable performance. In conclusion, a hand miter saw can be a great addition to any woodworking or DIY project. They offer portability, affordability, and versatility, making them a great option for those who may not have the space or budget for a larger power saw. When choosing a hand miter saw, it's important to consider factors such as blade size, cutting capacity, and durability. Ultimately, the best hand miter saw will depend on your individual needs and preferences. By doing your research and selecting a high-quality saw, you can ensure that your projects are completed accurately and efficiently.